So welcome to another episode of Learn Japanese with Commercials. Today we're going to be watching this weird Japanese commercial that's been going around the internet. It's got SpongeBob in it, it's got screaming Japanese children, and it's also got McDonald's, funnily enough. So let's watch the episode. There are some translations out there that are not quite politically correct. So we're going to look at the commercial together. We're going to do the real translation. We're going to understand what it's actually saying and learn some Japanese words along the way. So let's get into watching that commercial. And that was it. That was pretty crazy, wasn't it? There's these screaming children, and what are they even saying? Let's go back through the commercial and try and figure it out. Okay, so we start off with happy set, which is the Japanese word for a happy meal. So if you ever go to Japanese McDonald's and want a happy meal, don't forget to ask for the happy set. I love it. Nodo ga kawaita is like nodo is for throat, and kawaita is the past tense verb for being dry. So literally, my throat is dry, so I'm thirsty. And then the little boy has said shabeta, which means he spoke. So it's the past tense of shaberu, which means to speak. Alright, this time SpongeBob said "おいしい," which means it was delicious, or it is delicious. It's the Japanese word for delicious. And the little boy said "mata shabeta." Mata is the Japanese word for again. So shabeta, to have spoken, or to have spoken. And mata, so he spoke again. Mum in the background loves it. So SpongeBob said "kore saiko," which means this is the best. Kore is this, and saiko is like the best. And then obviously it is the best because the little girl goes nuts. Alright, here we go. Jia-jaan, which is Japanese for like tada. And SpongeBob da, it's SpongeBob. So happy setto, the Japanese word for McDonald's. Happy setto ni SpongeBob da. So SpongeBob is in, ni is the particle for like in, the happy set. Kin yo kara, so kin yo bi is the Japanese word for Friday, and kara is from. So it's in the happy set from Friday. Do nichi wa kore mo. So do from do you bi, nichi from nichi you bi, kore this, mo also. So you also get this on Saturday and Sunday. And this is, if you look on those words here, SpongeBob sticker book. SpongeBob sticker book. So that's pretty sweet. And my favorite part of every McDonald's commercial in Japan is I'm rubbing it. To me, as an English speaker, it sounds like I'm rubbing it. But anyway, that's for each to their own to interpret. So yeah, I hope you've learned something and you enjoyed watching that commercial as much as I did. If you like this and want to see more of these commercial contents, make sure to like and leave a comment. And if you want to see what's happening in general, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.